Yeah. Family, y'all. Just keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. All right. Yeah. Here we go, here we go. That's right.
We are family.
We are
Brothers and my sisters with me.
brothers, my sisters.
We are family.
We're family. Yeah.
Kasi Lisa, isa sa mga bigyan ko ng country.
Okay, so this reason of disturbance, sir?
May nais na po kung balikin sa inyo. Sunod-sunod na po kasi nagkakasakit ang aking mga kasamahan. Masyadong mainit. Wala nang gawin yung tamang sa aking pinagsasaluhan. At hindi hirap po ang trabaho namin sa kanan. Nakakalangan din kami ng matapang na chemical. Ang gusto lang po namin ay maayos na lugar at very peaceful. Kami lang po kasi ang nasana ng pamilya. Kaya mahirap po kung kami nagkakasakit.
Okay, so, hinihindihan ko ang sitwasyon nyo. Kaya pa man yung mga proseso tayo na kailangan sundin. At ito maganda, ipaparating natin, bigyan natin ang sulat ang ating mga executives para ma-action na ang sitwasyon. Maraming salamat at hindi natin yung mga
Salamat.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, Ms. Martinez. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So, Ms. Martinez, I believe you already received a letter relating to the union group and the factory workers. What are your plans about it?
Honestly, ma'am, I've been planning to ask about their health benefits. And I've already contacted the finance department to know if we can afford to give them their benefits.
And what are the outcome of the meeting with the finance manager?
Unfortunately, ma'am, the health benefits is out of the budget for the next 2 years.
If that is the case, can you arrange a meeting with the union representative the next day about it?
Yes, ma'am. Do you need anything more, ma'am?
For now, schedule the meeting first and you can go now.
Thank you.
Yun lang.
Good afternoon, Ms. Jimenez.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rodriguez. This is Mr. Rasho at Mark.
Good afternoon. Sit down. I am here to discuss about your request. Unfortunately, the budget for health benefit is out of the financial allowance until after 2 years. The company can only refer you and your co-factory workers to a hospital for a checkup. But sad to say, that's it.
Sorry, Ms. Martinez, but I think the situation is very unfair for Ms. Sarvash and her employees.
Sorry, Ms. Jimenez, but this is what the company can offer for now to alleviate the problem.
But your company is doing something that is against the employees' health. The least you can do is to renovate the factory for your workers' sake, or else we will personally file a complaint to Dole against your company.
Can we still do something not for us to arrive filing a complaint?
Unfortunately not. Renovate your factory or we'll file a complaint.
Well, let me just consult the company owner and we'll send you a letter or we will set another meeting.
Okay? See you soon.
Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ms. Martinez. So, how was your meeting with the union?
Ma'am, they said that they will file a complaint to Dole if this is not approved. I plead for a less costly plan, that is to renovate the factory according to the union figure.
The company cannot afford to be scandalized. Consult the financial department immediately and ask for a budget. Then, if possible, do a site visit to inspect the necessary renovation and do a report and expect that report.
Okay, ma'am. I will send a letter
We